Welcome to this Cyclone demonstration. Cyclone is a done-for-you system which removes most of the hurdles, stopping many people generating results online. Now, once you activate Cyclone, there is very little intervention. That means there's very little for users to actually do. Let me explain how Cyclone works. Step one is to pick one of the done-for-you revenue packages. You pick a package and you add your affiliate link. The next step is to activate the revenue package by using the built-in traffic builder. Now, by using the built-in traffic builder, you don't need any experience. There are no additional costs. Use the system and the traffic will build for you. Now, once you activate the pack by turning on the built-in traffic builder, Cyclone will then start to tag everybody that comes into the system with your link. You don't need any third-party autoresponders and you don't need to do anything else. Our system takes over as soon as you activate the package and it starts mailing those leads with your link. So just to recap, all you need to do is pick a revenue pack, add your affiliate link, turn on the traffic builder to activate the system, and then from that point onwards, Cyclone does the rest for you. And that means this system actually generates results for the user without user intervention once activated.